When it comes to enhancing the value of your home, security is one of the most important factors to consider. A secure home is not only a priority for your peace of mind but also a key selling point for potential buyers. One of the most effective ways to improve both the security and aesthetic appeal of your home is through a new security door installation. If you live in Jacksonville Beach, you're likely aware of the unique blend of coastal charm and vibrant community that defines this area. With a new security door, you can take full advantage of your home's potential, boosting its value while ensuring the safety of those who live inside. Why a security door matters? Security doors are designed to protect against intruders, harsh weather conditions, and even potential hazards like fire. They offer an added layer of protection to your home, especially in a region like Jacksonville Beach, where the weather can fluctuate dramatically. The security and durability of a quality door can significantly enhance your property's appeal to buyers and provide you with lasting peace of mind. In Jacksonville Beach, where many homes are close to the ocean, salt and moisture from the air can corrode doors over time. A well-chosen security door that resists rust and wear can be a wise investment that not only improves the safety of your home but also ensures it stays looking pristine for years to come. Additionally, security doors come in a variety of designs and materials, offering both function and style that complement your home's overall aesthetic. Increased curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially when you're selling your home. The front door is one of the first features visitors and potential buyers notice when approaching your property. A new security door installation not only boosts your home's security but can also elevate its curb appeal. Jacksonville Beach residents are accustomed to a blend of modern and coastal-inspired architecture, and a high-quality, stylish security door can fit seamlessly with this style, making your home stand out on the market. Whether you opt for a sleek, modern steel door or a more traditional wrought iron design, the right security door can make a significant difference in how your home is perceived. Plus, with options that feature decorative elements, glass inlays, or custom finishes, you can add a touch of personalization that makes your entryway feel welcoming and elegant. Energy efficiency. Another important aspect to consider when choosing a new security door is its energy efficiency. Many modern security doors come with insulated cores, which help to regulate your home's interior temperature. This feature can be especially beneficial in Jacksonville Beach, where the summer heat can drive up cooling costs. By installing a security door that helps keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, you'll not only increase the comfort of your living space but also potentially lower your energy bills. This energy-saving quality is attractive to buyers, especially those looking for homes with lower maintenance costs. Long-term durability. When you invest in a new security door, you're not only improving your home's security but also enhancing its long-term durability. The extreme humidity in Jacksonville Beach can take a toll on materials, but a well-built security door is made to withstand the elements. Most security doors are constructed with robust materials such as steel, aluminum, or wrought iron, making them resistant to weather-related wear and tear. A durable security door also adds to your home's value by decreasing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. This means potential buyers will appreciate the low maintenance benefits and the assurance that the door will continue to perform well for years to come. Enhanced security and peace of mind. And lastly, the primary purpose of a security door is to protect your home and family. In Jacksonville Beach, where a mix of year-round residents and vacation properties create a diverse community, ensuring your home's safety is crucial. A high-quality security door offers a level of protection that traditional doors simply cannot provide. They are designed to withstand forced entry attempts and provide a barrier against unauthorized access. Beyond protecting your home from intruders, security doors can also provide peace of mind against other threats, such as hurricanes. Given Jacksonville Beach's proximity to the coast, homes in the area are vulnerable to high winds and storm surges. A strong, reinforced security door can help protect your home from severe weather, making it a valuable addition that enhances both security and structural integrity. Conclusion: if you're looking to increase your home's value in Jacksonville Beach, investing in a new security door installation is a smart and effective choice. Not only does it improve your home's security, but it also boosts curb appeal, enhances energy efficiency, and adds long-lasting durability. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to create a safer, more stylish living environment, a security door is a worthwhile investment that can provide lasting benefits for years to come.